Indoor test of my new Sony Handycam. This is low light conditions. Wow. Zoom all the way out. Zoom all the way in. Kind of blur. Suck. Try some low light conditions. This room has no lights on. Storage room. Zoom out. Yep. We're not unpacked yet, so that's why there's so much stuff. We're working on the house still. Pretty good for low light conditions. The lights turned off. I'm impressed. These are some of the things I was looking for when I decided what camera to buy. And this is a CX290. I've been looking at video after video of different camcorders, and this one was the most impressive. Here's another area. Laundry room with no lights on. And I've just got it on automatic. I'm not setting it for anything. Okay, let me turn it off and go outside.